Is your window not performing as it should? Not staying in the up position and slamming back down? Well, let's fix this. So I finally got around to cleaning the windows and I noticed this. This part here is called the window balance. It keeps your window in the up position and helps it move up and down properly. It's not supposed to be exposed like this. It's supposed to be locked in on the side of the window that moves up and down. Both sides are like this. Here's the problem right here. This is called a sash balance top guide. As you can see, it's broke. This is what holds the balance in place. This is what it's supposed to look like. Here's a replacement part. I got it from my local window part dealer. I bought about 10 of them for $1 each. You can also buy it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I only found it in white, so I just use a Sharpie to color it black. To replace this part, I have to remove the window from the frame. To do that, I have to lower the balances. It was hard to do it by hand, so I had to use a flat screwdriver. I put it on the top like this and pushed it down. After I lowered the window balance, I noticed that this part was also broke. This clip on the window frame snaps out and holds the balance in place. But because the top of the balance is broke, the clip has nothing to grab to hold the balance down when I raise the window. The window will not come out the frame if the balances does not stay down. I put a screw to keep the balance down. I did this on the other side too. Remove the window top stop clips located on the top of the window. This will give you a little bit more room when removing the window from the frame. Sometimes it gets in the way, sometimes it doesn't. Now I can lift the window, push it to one side, then pull the other side towards me to remove that side out of the frame. Then you can finish removing the window from the frame. Now I have access to the screw that holds the sash guide in place. Remove the screw and install the new one. The same for the other side. Now to remove the balance, I remove the screw that I put in holding it down in position. Keep downward pressure on it because it is spring loaded and will shoot up when you remove the screw. Now you can see how the balance is attached to the frame. There's a flat hook with a string hooked onto the frame. The easiest way to remove this is by holding the balance down, then grabbing the string to keep it from retracting back into balance. This will loosen the pressure on the hook and you can remove it from the frame. Here's a better look of the flat hook. Then slowly let the hook retract back into the balance. Here's the top broke part. Looks like the part that broke off is stuck in the balance. It's supposed to be on here like this. Remove the other side. Here's a better view removing the hook. This is how the clip is supposed to hold the balance down. When you snap the clip out and you push the window up, the balance will get caught on the clip, keeping the window balance from going up with the window. I put the window back in place for now. I need to get the parts I need. When you put the window back, make sure you have the same reveal on both sides. Lock the window to secure it overnight. You could replace the whole balance, or you could just replace the top part. I'll put a link in the description for these parts. If you decide to order the balance, measure from the top metal to the bottom metal of the balance, not the plastic parts. This is measuring 30 inches. For this top part, you drill out the rivet, pull the rivet out, and this will come right out. So now it's the next day, and I got lucky again. My local window part dealer had the same exact part I needed to replace the part in the window balance. 65 cents each. I bought about 10. If you're in Orlando, check out Continental Glass. Here's their info. Drill out the donut looking side on the rivet. It's easier. Here are the rivets I will be using. I need to make the holes a little bit bigger, so I'll drill it out. Insert the rivet and I use the rivet tool. It locks in place. Do the other side. Now I can fix the other balance. Here's a better view. Now it's time to install them. Now to put the balance back, we need to pull the flat hook away from the balance. This is super hard to do by hand. Use some sort of pliers. Pull it, then grip the string at the balance. Then you can freely attach the hook back onto the window frame. Let's remove the window. The balance are not installed, so you don't have to lift the window all the way up to remove it from the frame. Pull the clips out on both sides. Now let's hook the hooks on the square holes. I noticed this hook is bent, so I need to bend it back flat. That looks better. Hook it in, push the balance down, then let it slide up to hit the clip. Now we can let it go. Now do the same on the other side. To put the window back, I have to put the window in the frame from the top of the window frame, then slowly lower it all the way down. The sides should look like this. Push the clips back in on both sides. Then raise the window and voila, it stays up and you're done. Now I get to clean the window and reattach this alarm sensor. So until next time, peace.